If shortcuts have ever felt intimidating, this video is going to make one part of them much simpler. I'm Ryan, your digital trail guide, and this is another video of the Trail Pack Essential series, where we open the Trail Pack and learn the simple tools that help beginners feel more comfortable with computers. Today, we're focusing only on one key, the Windows key. We'll use it for some of the most practical everyday shortcuts beginners are actually likely to use that can make your work easier. So let's get a quick win right away. Look down at your keyboard and find the key with the little Windows logo on it. It's usually near the bottom left, often between the Control and the Alt keys. Now press it once. When you do, that opens the Start menu, which is one of the main places you can begin finding almost anything on your computer. So already in 1 second, you've learned something useful. The Windows key is kind of like a shortcut into the center of Windows. That is a great first step. Okay, so here's another one. Let's say that you want to find something faster. Hold down the Windows key and then press the S button. S is in Sam. When you do, that automatically opens Search. It's one of the most helpful shortcuts for beginners because you do not need to remember where everything is. You can simply type this shortcut and then start typing whatever you need. So let's say you need to go into Settings. You can go right there. And by the way, as you're learning computers, if it's helpful to have a simple visual reference, my Windows 11 starter map is linked below. It's completely free. Hope it helps you. Here's another one. Hold down the Windows key and then press E. E is in Elijah. When you do, it'll take you directly to File Explorer, which is the place where your files and folders live. So if you need to go to your Downloads folder, or your Documents or Pictures, or to even go to a USB drive, this shortcut will get you there quickly. Now earlier we talked about going to Settings. Well, there's a Windows key shortcut that will take you there faster. Hold down the Windows key and then press I. I is in Igloo. When you do, it opens Settings automatically. So this can be really helpful if you're trying to change your Wi-Fi, trying to change Bluetooth settings, display size, sound, personalization, whatever it may be. Rather than hunting through menus, you can just go directly to it. Now let's say that you're in a situation where you've got a number of different windows that are open and you would really like to get down to the desktop. You just want to minimize everything, declutter your view, and go straight to the desktop. Rather than minimizing each one of these screens, here's a faster way to do it. Hold down the Windows key and then press D. What that does is it minimizes everything and shows your desktop. D for desktop. And then if you want to bring everything back, hold down the Windows key and then press D again. And there you go. All of your windows are back to the same size as they were. Makes your screen feel a little less chaotic that way. But here's another shortcut. Let's say that you've got these two windows, two versions of File Explorer, and maybe you're looking at different folders in each. But you want one screen on the left side of your desktop and you want the other screen on the right side. Well, there's a shortcut for that. Select one of them, hold down the Windows key, and then press the left arrow key. When you do, that will automatically snap that window to the left side of your desktop. Already that's really neat. And the opposite is true. If you select the other window, hold down the Windows key, and then press the right arrow key, then that will snap that one to the right side of the screen. Now here's another one. If you've got a lot going on your desktop and you would like to go to the task view and see everything that you've got going on, you can hold down the Windows key and then press the Tab key. That's in the upper left-hand corner of your keyboard. And when you do, it expands your screen so that you can see all the different things that you've got going on at one time. Each of the individual File Explorer screens or the screen with them both on at the same time. You just click one and it takes you right to it. Now here's a fun one. Have you ever been trying to type something out and you wanted to put an emoji into it, but there's nowhere to copy it from? Well, did you know that Windows actually has an emoji keyboard inside of it? Here's how to open it. Hold down the Windows key and then press the period button. When you do, this keyboard pops up where you can select from all sorts of different emojis and they can go straight into whatever you're typing. In addition to that, if you hold down the Windows key and then press V as in Victor, that will take you to your clipboard, where anything that you copy will be stored here so that you can easily see what you've copied to your clipboard, and that way you can paste it in other places. And here's one for you to try later. This is how you can lock your screen. So if you hold down the Windows key and then press L, that will automatically lock your screen. It's especially helpful if you step away from your desk at work, you live in a shared home, or anywhere that you want to protect your information. So those are just a few of the shortcuts with the Windows key that will hopefully make your work easier. These are part of the Trail Pack Essentials, small skills that make computers feel manageable. And with each video in this series, we're going to add another tool to the pack. So it'd be great to see you again soon. I'm Ryan, your digital trail guide, and I'll see you on the trail.